Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking the Pantone Color of the Year for 2023, Viva Magenta. What is it? It's a beautiful, powerful color. Start with a crimson red, but add a touch of pink and a touch of blue to get to Viva Magenta. Such a happy, joyous color, very flower friendly, and it plays well with other colors. If you start with most any of the greens, add in Viva Magenta, stunning. It looks beautiful with a variety of blues. And if you go to the neutral palette, the favorite of so many brides, add in the magenta. It makes it pop. Flower choices, there are so many available. This happy, powerful color is perfect with flowers. I turned to florabundance.com, looked through, sorted by color, and I found so much. Even foliages, Nandina and tea leaves, perfect to accent that color. Astilbe, pepperberry, protea and leucadendron, ranunculus, butterfly ranunculus, all of them coming along, following that color palette. Then the secret for success is to think about the blend. Don't try to match it perfectly. Go for a little subtle variation. You can see with all the different roses from the reddest to a little more pink, but placed together, they're a beautiful Viva Magenta. I think this color is going to be a fun one for florists. 2023 will have a color that has power, joy, happiness, exuberance, and availability. Now you know the pro approach to Viva Magenta.